In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this 48 volt, 10.4 amp hour e-bike battery. For transparency, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So as you can see, I've got behind me a Lectric XP 1.0 and the battery started to fail on me. I had a dead cell. So I needed a replacement and went with this one here. I'm super happy with the battery. It fits in the bike perfectly. It charged up very well. So I've got a multimeter here. I'm gonna put this on the multimeter for you so you can see what the full charge voltage looks like. But it came with two keys. As you can see, I got one in the ignition there. This is the spare. It also came with a 2 amp charger, which is sufficient. I'm not a fast charger, guys. I've been charging lithium batteries for a long time. 2 amps is perfect for this amp hour battery. So now what we're going to do, guys, is put this here on the multimeter so you can see what the fully charged voltage looks like. All right, guys, so I got my multimeter turned on here. Key is on, positive and negative there. This is positive, this is negative. As you can see, guys, I've got a 54.7, 54.8 fluctuating voltage there. These are fully charged at 54.6, so we're getting a full charge out of this here. All the cells are matched up very well. They balance very well. And I've already put this battery in the bike and ridden it. It performed as I needed it to. So if you guys are looking for a replacement battery, they make them for the step overs, the step through, and some other models. The cells are great. The charger works great, and they fit perfectly in the bike. So if you're looking for a replacement, I highly recommend these here. I hope this helps.